Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but yeah, I'm the van guy. Today we've got several vans, but we're going to start with a Pleasure-Way Ontour 2.2. At the very back of the unit, underneath the couch, you'll be able to see the lithium battery. Very important to know that this does have lithium multiplex wiring, state-of-the-art, the way they make the unit. Got an electric sofa in the back, makes into twin beds, or you can make it into a queen bed, depending on what your tastes are. Overhead, right in the center is your big overhead storage drawer, and then going down both sides there's cabinet work, and they all lift up. They have very positive hinges in them and a latch down below, so it'll stay closed while you're going down the road. The fabric is ultra leather. It does have memory foam. And on this model, it's got an attachment for the table to fit in right next to the couch where you both can sit side by side. We're going to move up the door side. Now you're going to come into the kitchen. Solid surface countertop. Very large, deep recessed sink. 2-burner stove. Convection microwave is down below the stove. And then you've got storage underneath the sink, accessible with an electrical outlet. Up in the cab area, 2 bucket seats up front, passenger seat swivels, automatic transmission. Now this is a 6-cylinder rear-wheel drive, EcoBoost. And what the EcoBoost means for you is if you're going uphill and somebody passes you, it's because you let them. This thing will scoot right along, and 15 miles per gallon is fairly nice. Plenty of cup holders up in the cab area, both for the driver and passenger, easily accessible. There is a little up above storage where above the visors, that you can store your necessary traveling things. Right behind the driver's seat is your shower and bathroom area, and it's really nice that they have a full vanity in here with plenty of storage. Again, solid surface countertops. It's got a curtain that comes up, and it is a wet bath. That you shower, turn on the water, you rinse, and then turn it off. You get all soapy, and then you rinse it off again. And your shower curtain goes on the walls to make sure that nothing gets damaged. And then going towards the rear of the van, you've got a Norcold refrigerator. It's up off the floor. It's a generous size. And then above that, there's another storage compartment for your kitchen necessities. Thank you very much for taking time to visit our website or go to my Facebook page, The Van Guy, and take a look at the video that you just watched on this Pleasure-Way Ontour 2.2. And if you have any questions, who would you call? Well, you call The Van Guy. Call me direct at 541-554-9581. My email is on the screen. Thank you.